Hi, it's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and today I will show you how to change the Chrome theme. To do that, go to top right corner and click these three dots over here and click Settings. And now find Appearance over here on the left. And you can just click over here Theme. So it will open the Chrome Web Store. And over here you can choose the theme. Ones are artist themes, and these ones are published by Chrome. For example, this Just Black theme. Click it and click Add to Chrome, and you can see that your theme is now black. If I go to Google, okay. And to remove it, again go to Settings, Appearance, and Reset to Default, and the theme is back. And this is how you download and remove Chrome themes from your Google Chrome, of course. Have a nice day, drop some likes, comments below, and have a nice day. Bye bye.